Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Saturday the 27th of September. Taking a look at our weather map, to start with we can see this big low pressure system off the east coast of New South Wales and Queensland. Now if you're in this part of the world and you're interested in the rainfall, the potential thunderstorms, possible flooding, damaging winds and hazardous surf conditions, make sure you check out our other video which has all the information for this weather system. But across the rest of the country we can see this high pressure ridge bringing very settled conditions to the southeast tomorrow, but a cold front moving across the south bringing rain and thunderstorms to eastern parts of Western Australia and across South Australia and parts of Central Australia as well. Behind that, a big high pressure ridge pushing in, giving much more settled conditions along the west coast tomorrow. Zooming in on Queensland, we have all that severe weather down in the southeast with that rainfall, thunderstorms, damaging winds and hazardous surf. But across the rest of the state, much more settled. A couple of showers along the east coast, very low rainfall totals with that. Warm temperatures through the north, high fire dangers in the Gulf country and the Channel country as well. Much cooler, however, in southeast Queensland. Brisbane, a mostly showery top of 20 degrees with probably feeling more like 16 degrees during the day with those cold southerly winds. Over New South Wales, we have that rainfall about the north coast and the adjacent ranges and all that severe weather. Again, check out our other video. But across the rest of the coast, just a few showers along the east coast, much more settled west of the ranges, maybe a few morning frost patches in the south. Sydney, a shower or two, top of 20 degrees, again feeling a couple of degrees cooler. But Canberra, a frosty start, 0 degrees up to 19 degrees and partly cloudy during the day. Down in Victoria, much more settled. We've got sunny conditions, freshening northerly winds and above average temperatures, giving us high fire dangers through the Mallee and the Wimmera. But Melbourne looking mostly sunny, top of 22 degrees, perfect weather for our grand final barbecues. In Tasmania, very settled weather once again, morning frost patches inland and then a mostly sunny day with northerly winds. Hobart heading for a mostly sunny top of 21. In South Australia, though, we do have these rain and thunderstorms extending from the west with that cold front moving through. Ahead of that, strengthening northerly winds and above average temperatures, giving us high fire danger through the west coast, the Eyre Peninsula, the Murraylands and the Riverlands. For Adelaide, a mostly sunny morning, but showers developing in the late afternoon or evening as this front gets closer, top of 25 degrees. Over in the west, these showers and thunderstorms will clear out during the morning and much more settled conditions coming in behind that. Just a few showers along the south coast, maybe a touch of small hail down in the very far southwest. Perth heading for a partly cloudy top of 18 degrees, just a slight chance of a morning shower or two. Up in the north, we have some showers and thunderstorms potentially through western parts of the top end, and also that cloud band extending from the Kimberley down into central Australia, giving some patchy showers or thunderstorms extending potentially into the Lassiter district. Darwin heading for a top of 33 degrees, partly cloudy, just a slight chance of a shower or two. But just inland of Darwin, it will be significantly above average temperatures, and we have actually issued a heatwave warning for parts of the top end. Alice Springs, though, a mostly sunny top of 32 degrees. Taking a look at Sunday now, we have that cold front continuing to move over the southeast. So we'll see rain and gusty winds for many of our southeastern states, potentially some damaging winds along elevated parts of Victoria. However, this low pressure system off the coast will start to move away, so an easing trend for conditions over northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland, a little warmer in Brisbane and Sydney tomorrow. That cloud band still extending across the country, giving us patchy showers or thunderstorms through northern WA and into central parts as well, but a little warmer in the west, 20 degrees over in Perth. And that's it for our weather update. Make sure you stay up to date with the forecasts and warnings for your location on the Bureau's website or our app, and have a great weekend.